door's locked.
You don't want to come in here.
You guys coming or what?
I don't know.
You're not?
No.
Why not?
I am sick. I have a headache, sorry.
Sup, pal? You ready? Looks like it.
Pink.
You left me in the dark. I couldn't see.
Yeah, I think I'm going. Bro, you finna snowboard in 40-degree weather, bro. With blue hair. You look like Jack
Watch your
Frost.
space, bro.
Melanie, she's gonna make him probably look like a Smurf within the next hour or two.
Alright.
This dude's gonna shred tomorrow. He's about to be landing threes. Like what? What? Oh. Oh snap. Oh, it's coming.
Moving forward.
Yeah, I think I'm going.
Hola, folks. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien.
So, I'll translate. We're at Camp Perfect. Just got here getting ready.
¿Cómo estás? I'm stupid.
Real windy today, so audio is gonna be pretty nice for you on this video.
Yeah.
I'll try to clean it up as best I can. Ball sniffers ready or what?
I don't sniff balls. I don't like to sniff balls usually. But if you do sniff balls, I recommend you sniff clean balls. Not dirty balls.
Oh, dirty balls.
And we gotta get a lift ticket.
Yep.
Our pets' heads are falling off.
Trees are a no-fly zone?
That's what he said, but
Well, I'm assuming he would be correct if he's on skis and saying that.
yeah.
Because you can go through a lot more on skis, I feel.
Oh,
Give it up for Headache Movie.
just go.
Yeah, boy.
He's dead. He fell, folks, but it looked good. How do you feel? Great. That was a board slide attempt, and that scared me. Alex is a broken arm.
It's every lift.
Would you wait in line like this? Oh, oh.
Okay, hold on.
You got a 3 all day. Oh my god! One more! Yeah, look at this.
Run up. Run it back one time. Oh! You see this dude?
What? What?
Sorry, supposed to get the shot. I forgot. This is taking so long to reset. Adam went way up the hill this time. See? Adam went way up the hill. He's trying to get more speed. All right, here comes Matt. Let's see if he can get this 3 nailed. He looks so crazy coming around, like, he doesn't look like he's gonna make it. At a half second, he just whips it around. See if he does it again. Dude, see what I'm saying? He doesn't look like he's gonna make it. I'll slow it down for you guys. But it's so crazy. He just whips it around and boom, stomps it. Good to go. Good to go. Let's see what Adam's got. Coming in spicy. Oh!
How do you land 3s like this?
Dude,
Give me some with the 3. Out of nowhere, we were leaving.
All right, that's a wrap for us, folks. Back at Cabby. Busy, busy place. Busy. Oh my goodness, so busy. But we're out here. We got a couple good shots. We're good to go. We're stoking. Got on our boards. You know, thanks for watching. What you think, Matt? Is there enough people or what?
Too many.
Safe. Sending us out. What you think, pal? You got any final comments?
I can't breathe. May or may not have heart attack. Matt landed a 3. I landed 3. Alex landed 3. We gangsters. We out.
We all throwing 3s.
Here we
Let's
go.
go. Oh, you missed it.
Como estás? I gotta go home, folks. El Tirado, L360O, make me El Tirado.
I don't think it was a 360. I think it was more climbing the hill.
Yeah.
More climbing the hillo. Oh wow.
I got a couple 3s.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's what you call no bueno. Alex is crazy.